Hi guys, so I just wanted to let you all know that I have a few more videos from New York that I want to upload. We are back in Texas, but I just have some videos that I want to upload. So we're going to do those on the weekends. And if you don't want to watch videos from New York, then you can go ahead and skip it. But if you do, then enjoy. And thanks for watching.
You're all right. Just
flip-flops.
Just go.
I'm trying.
I'm trying to lift it.
My flip.
Take your flip-flop off.
Ugh.
I
need it.
I need someone to put me in.
Hold on, hold on. Oop, I guess this one's mine.
Yeah.
It'll be all right. Just wash it off in the thing.
Yeah.
Leonard, just put your feet in.
All right, we're floating the Genesee River. We've got my twin sister, Crystal, with Hunter. No, Isaiah's back there. And then we've got Hunter and Jaden. See ya. Say hey. All right, go, Jaden.
Why?
I'm in the shallow.
Really?
So? Yeah. I'm already seeing.
Do you touch?
I'm touching my hand.
How do you know this?
Hi! Because you can only see it. Whoa! Isaiah! I need someone to hold my kayak. I'm going to go in the water.
Nah, let's just stay in the kayak, please. Jaden, sit down.
Oh, watch out!
Oh, Isaiah's standing up.
I know. I'm gonna get it on. I'm gonna record it.
Forget the shallow water, Mom.
I know.
Watch out.
Oh, you still hit her. Boo! Minus 5 points.
There's no point.
Careful.
Hey, Mom. I thought Jaden had the Chucky.
Oh.
Oh, that's a lot of fish.
Where?
Or a lot of sea beetles.
Oh.
You okay?
Yes, I got that on camera.
You okay? Hey.
He's gonna go right into the wall. Guess I should put my phone up.
They look too big for her.
It does, but
Oh well.
he'll live and learn.
Blue.
Yeah. Blue and red. Blue hair. He's blue. That's why. Yep, red hair. Look, they're matching. Blue kayak, red hair, blue hair. So peaceful. Oh yeah, I see that. Right there. There's footprints. I wonder what it is. I am. Oh, it looks like bear prints. Yeah.
Oh, there's chicken feet too.
I don't know. Maybe a coyote? They look like paws. They definitely don't look like,
Oh my god.
You're so deep in the mud, Mom.
I know.
Look how deep
Look,
you
there's
are.
another one over here, though.
Yeah, look. Look.
Yep, those are cracks. Those are human feet.
Yeah, that's me.
Those are smaller.
Yeah, this looks like wolf feet. No, or chicken feet.
I don't know.
These look like bear feet.
I mean, it could be.
No, these are bear feet.
We're not 100% sure.
Oh, seems like he was swimming.
What do y'all think this is? What kind of a paw print? I don't know. It could be. I don't know.
Oh, there's also chicken feet. Mom, there's also chicken feet.
That's my feet.
No, look, right here.
Oh, they're just birds, baby. All right, let's get back in.
Oh my gosh.
Well, that was pretty cool. It kind of looks like paw prints, not really deer prints. So, what do y'all think it is? Leave me a comment leave me a comment below. Yeah. Okay, so we just floated the river. That was so much fun. We just took the kayaks up to the camp. They call it the camp because they have some campgrounds. I mean, it's my dad's property, so some people have some campers here, and we just come and chill out in the shade. I'll show you.